I rebuke you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.
What up, fam? I'm here on a more personal level. I say we take this peace plate, fire up the end, and let's roll out. Come on. Elevate your soul with a piece of the earth. Get rid of all the stress inside before you get someone hurt. Take a hit of the weed if you think that you can. Now hold it in, homie, hold it. Hold it. Damn, I love the sound of virgin lungs right before they bust. So if you wanna come and smoke, peace pipe with us. Let me take you to a level where you ain't been yet. Come and step into the circle, now let's all get ready. Until we meet again, I guess I'll see you. Take it easy. Journey ain't over yet, y'all. Somebody in this bitch about to get me so high. One time, open your mind, body and soul, and let yourself be possessed by the endo smoke.